How to add new admin on Ringcentral. Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to add a new admin on Ringcentral. This process is straightforward and helps you manage your account more effectively. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to the Ringcentral website. Log into your account using your admin credentials. Once you're logged in, navigate to the admin portal. You can usually find this option in the left-hand sidebar at the top of the screen, depending on the interface. In the admin portal, look for the users section. Click on it to view all the current users in your account. Find the user you want to promote to admin. You can use the search bar to quickly locate their profile. Once you find them, click on their name to access their account settings. In the user settings, look for the option labeled role or user type. Click on it and you should see different role options, including admin. So select admin to promote this user. After selecting admin, make sure to select the save button to apply the changes. This will promote the user to admin status, giving them additional permissions. You should see a confirmation message indicating that the user has been successfully promoted to admin. It's a good idea to inform them about their new role and responsibilities. And that's how to add a new admin to Ringcentral. Managing your account effectively ensures a smooth operation. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more Ringcentral tips. Thanks for watching.